I'm Heather. Welcome to TRA Snow and Sun. We are solving problems related to rooftop avalanches through our snow retention systems. Today we are going to talk about how to install our products. So let's get right to it.
Hello, Ben Anderson here with TRA Snow and Sun. Today we're going to be installing a C22 Clamp on a 1-inch snap lock panel. Tools you'll be needing: a torque wrench set to 30 foot-pounds, a 9/16 inch socket, a 4mm Allen, a chalk line, a tape measure, a grinder with a cutting disc, or a hacksaw. Let's get right to it. Take your side with your teeth. Make sure it's on the side with your hem, which is right here. You can see the teeth have a step up. Make sure that the bottom before the step up is underneath your hem. Align your clamp with your previous clamp via chalk line. Grab your torque wrench. Make sure it's set to 30 foot-pounds. Once your teeth have engaged underneath the hem, you need to make sure you proceed to going back and forth, rotating between nuts to get an even load. While installing, make sure your teeth stay underneath your hem. And again, proceed to go back and forth. Take your pipe and install. TRA provides unions for every 10-foot pipe. Simply slide the next pipe over this union to connect 10-foot pieces. Every end or termination requires a collar on each additional rod. On the inside of each termination. Pipe should not exceed more than 6 inches past the last clamp. Take your 4mm Allen and tighten to 30 foot-pounds. Take your end caps, install on the ends of each pipe. That concludes the install of a C22 Clamp-on a 1-inch snap lock panel. If you have any questions, please consult TRA's engineered layout. Thank you.
You just learned how to install one of our many snow retention systems. We offer engineered snow retention layouts and quotes. For questions regarding your project, contact us at 800-606-8980 or at sales@trasnowandsun.com. and we'll take care of the rest. Thanks for joining us.